What is up everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna talk about new Instagram features that are coming in May 2019. So let's begin. And in the beginning of this video, the hottest news first, and Instagram is about to remove likes from the main feed. This news came all over the internet and made a lot of people go crazy, and actually this feature is already being tested in Canada, and some users are able to give their views on this feature, and it seems that people actually like this new Instagram feature. So the main point by head of Instagram, Adam Mosseri, was to let the Instagram be not such a pressurized environment and let the people to focus on the creativity rather than chasing for the likes. So let's see what's gonna happen and the reaction of the people once this feature will be rolled out on our phone. And just would like to know your opinion. What do you think about this new feature? Would it really help to Instagram to become authentic platform and stop people to chase for the likes and the comments? Let me know in the comments what is your opinion about this topic. And this feature number 2 that is already being rolled out on Instagram, it's a creative account. So if your account has from 10k and up followers base, then go ahead and click into the settings and change your account from business to creative account if you are being an influencer. So this new feature is very helpful for the Instagrammers or influencer side, because they can add their more detailed statistics like how many users follow them, how many users unfollow their account, can allow them to filter their DM messages, which helps them to sort out and to not miss the important messages in their DM box. So unfortunately this feature, as already mentioned, is available to those who has 10k and more follower base, and to those who is below this is not available yet, and I think it won't be available as their link feature on Instagram stories. And the news number 3, Instagram is testing a new feature, lyrics on Instagram stories. So Instagram stories will encompass a Smoolie effect. Who doesn't like to sing in karaoke? And Instagram probably wants us to spend even more time on this platform. So, and soon we will be able to not just show our daily life, but to show how we can sing on Instagram stories. So this is a very interesting feature and I'm looking forward to test it. I, however, like to use Smoolie, but I'm not really a good singer. So let me know if you're a good singer and you're looking forward to test this new feature on Instagram stories. Let me know in the comments, and that is it for today. Of course, there are more Instagram features that are coming very soon on Instagram, and I'm gonna cover them in the next videos.